Idlis are not boring. British historian Edward Anderson said idlis are the most boring things in the world. Indians all over the world were hurt and insulted by that statement and they reacted to it. And that's because idli is not just a food, it's a culture. I am Kavitha Tekenmar. Welcome back to my channel Kavitha's Sugar and Spice. Mr. Anderson, I'm here not to criticize you. Instead, I want to bring some awareness by highlighting some qualities of the superfood idli. To make idlis for breakfast, you start the process the previous day. Soak 3 cups of rice and 1 cup of urad dal for 6 to 8 hours. Here you have a perfect combination of carbohydrates and proteins. Add a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds to it while you soak for added benefits. After 8 to 6 hours, grind it into a smooth paste. Add salt to taste and keep it covered in a warm place and let it ferment for 8 hours or overnight, during which its volume doubles or even more. The fermentation breaks down the starches so that they are more readily metabolized by the body, an added health benefit. Now the batter is ready. We are going to cook the idlis. We can either use an idli maker like this or you can use a pressure cooker. Idlis are cooked by steaming the fermented batter. The first step is to pour some water to the idli maker and boil it. Meanwhile, we can grease the idli molds and fill it with batter. There are different shapes and varieties of idli molds available in market these days. In some regions of India, people place a muslin cloth on the mold and pour batter on it. Once the molds are filled with batter, place it in the steamer, cover and cook it for 7 to 10 minutes in medium heat. And our soft and spongy idlis are ready. Remove it from the steamer. Let it cool for 5 minutes and you can scrape it out with a knife or a spoon. And now you have your idlis ready, the protein-packed steamed rice cakes, which I think is one of the healthiest and balanced food on earth. Enjoy it with some sambar or chutney, or like Mr. Shashi Tharoor said, you can enjoy it with red chili and onion samandi and molaga puri with melted ghee, which is out of this world. Another unique and mouth-watering combination is with chicken curry or mutton curry, and it goes on. Idli is a food that has been passed on by many generations. We don't just love it, we value and respect idlis because it's a part of our culture and it's not boring at all. Thank you for watching my video. Take care and have a wonderful day. See you next time. Bye-bye.